Hello all, it's time to scan your Exchange server for any medications. I'll teach you how to scan it with a tool from Microsoft. In the beginning, I'll put the link, I'll download the script. Okay, it's called Exchange On-premises Mitigation Tool. We will download it now. Okay, this tool will scan your servers for any mitigation and will download the MSERT scanning tool also. It's called the Microsoft Safety Scanner for Exchange servers, and it will scan your servers for any spams or spyware or malwares or anything. Okay, okay, we'll take the tool and we'll move to our Exchange server now. Okay, now we move the script to the file to the server, and please make sure that your servers are connected to the internet so that it downloads the MSERT tool. Now we run PowerShell as an admin. Okay, we go to the specified folder. We put CD then the path of the folder. Okay, now we put the first letter of the script. Okay, it takes the script on its own, and we press enter. Okay, now we can see that it started downloading the MSERT process, and it will continue after it's downloaded. Running the Microsoft Safety Scanner, the MSERT tool, in the quick scan mode. And now, if the quick scan mode found any spyware or anything on your servers, it's recommended to relaunch the MSERT tool and make a full scan for the server. Okay, it will take about in the quick scan mode. It will take about 2 to 5 minutes to quickly scan the server for you. Okay, as you can see here, there is no known threats detected. The tool has finished scanning on the server, and we have no threats detected. Thank you very much for watching this video, and wait for us in the new coming videos.